guys. Today we're going to be talking about the 6Moto Roost 125 pit bike. This is going to be from 6Moto. There are two versions of the pit bike. There is going to be another one slightly larger where it has a 17-inch front wheel and a 14-inch rear wheel. This is a 14-inch front with a 12-inch rear. This is automatic and it is electric start versus kickstart. This is carbureted. You do have a petcock on the other side. Came approximately 70% assembled. All we had to do was fix the rear shock and then add the front wheel as well as the handlebars and risers, and that was basically the gist of it. Everything else was already kind of pre-fixed, as well as that front fairing. We had to fix it with the fender. The approximate cost was $899 plus the $300 shipping, and it arrived a lot quicker than the anticipated ship time was. We were estimated to get it about 4 weeks after we ordered it. We ordered it late February, supposed to get here around March 17th. Has a tiny little rear sprocket. It is estimated to be a top speed of 47 miles an hour. We have yet to confirm that. It does go pretty fast. We're out here hitting falls today. We're gonna mess around with it. It's a great little bike. So to turn it on, we're gonna go ahead and engage the fuel. Pull that up, turn the key on. One of the things that we had to do is we had to bend the brake pedal out just because it was so tucked in underneath that our brake, or for rear brake, we weren't able to access it because we would have to tuck it in order to access the rear brake. But now we just tap it. It was a perfect addition to our Husky FE250. All in all, I'd say for the 800 bucks is definitely a good investment. I came with this little fuel cap filler, pretty dope, and it's comparable to the Honda CRF 110. From what I've heard, people say it's a Honda clone, and a lot of parts for 2013 to 2018 should fit it in regards to plastics and some other areas. So we're gonna go ahead and mess with it down the line. Dizzy. So you're on a trail, you're narrow, you gotta turn back around because you thought this was a trail all the way down to that road, but you were wrong. So now you have to turn around. And you could do the whole back and forth, get off the bike, rotate the kickstand, or similar concept is just a little easier. With the Husqvarna, we're a lot taller, or it's a lot taller, so we have to be like way on the back, and that's what we're gonna try today, just to kind of see how it feels to have the Husky. So like even if you do that, it works because then you're turned around versus doing the Austin Powers. So that's actually pretty dope. This helps with that, just to get a feel for control.